Hello, everyone. In this session, we'll be discussing the third chapter of business studies, which is business environment. Now, what is business environment? Business environment refers to forces, factors, individuals, and institutions which are outside the control of business enterprise, but somehow they affect its performances. So basically, any external factor, or we can say any external forces which exist outside the business enterprise, but they influence the business is business environment. For example, increase in tax by government make things expensive to buy, or technological changes may make the existing product obsolete, or we can say change in fashion and taste of consumer may shift the demand in the market. So these are some example of external factors which affects the business, and that is known as business environment. Also, these factors includes economic, social, political, technological, legal, and other factors. So these are some examples of other factors which affects the business. So these are the forces which operates outside the business and are a part of business environment. Now we will discuss some features of business environment. So the first feature is all the external forces. Now, the business environment includes all the forces, institutions, and factors which are external to the business organization. As we have discussed earlier, all these forces or factors include social, economical, political, technological factors, etc., which affects the business. Second is specific and general forces. So specific forces are the forces which affects the business enterprise directly and immediately in their day-to-day working activities. For example, suppliers, investors, customers, these are some specific forces which directly affects the business enterprise. Second is general forces. So general forces are the forces which may affect the business only indirectly. For example, social, political, legal, technological conditions, these are the general forces which affects the firm indirectly. Third is interrelation. So interrelation means all the forces and external factors of business environments are interrelated to each other. For example, with the inclination of youth towards the Western culture, the demand for the fast food is increasing, which means nowadays the youths are inclining towards the Western culture. With that, the demand for fast food is increasing. So this is somehow related to each other. So business environment basically are interrelated to each other. Next is uncertainty. As we know, it is very difficult to predict the changes of business environment because the business environment keeps on changing very fast. For example, in fashion industry, fast and frequent changes takes place. In IT also means technological changes also takes very fast. So it is difficult to predict the business environment changes. That is why business environment is uncertain. Next feature is dynamic. As we know, dynamic means which keeps on changing. So business environment is highly flexible and it keeps on changing, whether in terms of technological improvement or shifts in consumer preferences or entry of new competition in the market. So it is very essential to monitor and scan the business environment continuously because the condition and environment keeps on changing. Next is complexity. Complexity means it is very difficult to scan environment because we don't know how the business environment will have impact on the companies. Although it is easy to scan the environment, but it is difficult how these changes will influence the business decision because some changes may be minor, but it might have larger impact. For example, a change in government policy to increase the rate by 5% may affect the income of the company by large amount. So here the changes were minor, but it has larger impact on the business. Or we can say it is difficult to know the impact of social, economical, political, technological, and legal factors on the change in demand of the product in the market. Last feature is relativity. So relativity means where the condition has different impact on different business. For example, There may be more demands for saris in India as compared to USA or UK. This is because the business environment differs from country to country, region to region, as the political conditions, cultures are different in different countries. So we can say business environment is relative. Now, here are some questions based on the topic discussed above. First question is, it may be difficult to know the extent of the relative impact of the social, economical, political, technological, or legal factors on change in demand of a product in the market. Which feature of business environment is highlighted by this point? Second question is, two big banner movies were scheduled to be released on the same date. On the last moment, release of one of the movies had to be postponed due to opposition of a group of people due to some unethical contents related to their religion was shown in that movie. The other movie released on time and made huge profit as there was no competition, and the movie which was postponed suffered loss. So which features of business environment is highlighted here? And identify the dimension of business environment which delayed the release of the movie. We will now discuss some importance of business environment. So the first importance is business environment enables the firm to identify opportunities and getting first mover advantage. First mover advantage means maximum benefits or profit by grabbing the opportunity at the earliest. So businessmen who are able to understand the business environment at early stage, they get maximum benefit, or we can say they can capture a big share in the market. For example, Maruti was the first company to recognize the need of small cars in an environment of rising petrol. So, they became the leader in the small car market. In the same way, WhatsApp was the first application for mobile chat. Afterwards, many applications came, but still WhatsApp is number one in mobile chat. Second importance is business environment helps the firm to identify the threats and early warning signal. This means the businessmen who are able to scan the business environment or who are able to understand the business environment on time to get a warning signal to deal with the negative policies of business environment. For example, the Maruti Udyog company got the information that more foreign car manufacturing are going to set up their business in India. So they took it as a warning signal and they started increasing their production capacity. So warning signal here means come to know in advance for the coming threats of the business due to scan of environment. Third importance is business environment helps in tapping and assembling useful resources, which means collecting the right type of resources as per the present requirement of business by foreseeing the requirement due to scan of business environment. For example, with the demand of LED TV, manufacturers are now collecting resources necessary to manufacture LED rather than collecting the resources of black and white TV or flat screen TV. Next importance is business environment helps to adjust and adapt with the rapid changes, which means bringing changes in organization as per changes in the environment, being innovative and adopting latest technology or latest method of production. So as we know, the business environment is dynamic, which means it is changed according to the changing environment. So the businessman, by scanning the business environment, can make changes in their internal environment to match the external environment. So environmental scanning helps in coping with the rapid changes. For example, due to increasing competition, customers are becoming more demanding, and it has become essential for the business enterprise to adapt rapidly change by technological environment. Next importance is business environment helps in assisting in planning and policy making, which means making plans and policy keeping in mind the conditions prevailing in the environment. So the businessman basically make major strategic plans and policy keeping in mind the business environment. For example, on scanning the Indian business environment, we find that there is great scope for tourism in the country. So businessmen are planning strategies to grab these opportunities. How? By opening various hotels of private public sector ITC group so that it can make new strategies for the tourist. Third is business environment helps in improving in performances. So with the continuous scan of business environment, companies can easily improve their performance by making the changes in the internal environment matching to the external environment. So organization can improve their market share. So these were the importance of business environment. Now here are some questions based on the topic discussed above, which was importance of business environment. So the first question is, Naman and Govind, after finishing their graduation under vocational stream, decided to start their own travel agency which will book rail tickets and air tickets on commission basis. They also thought of providing tickets within 10 minutes through the use of internet. They discussed the idea with their professor, Mr. Mehra, who liked the idea and suggested them to first analyze the business environment, which consists of investors, competitors, and other forces like social, political, etc., that may affect their business directly or indirectly. He further told them about the technological improvements and shift in consumers' preference that were taking place, and hence they should be aware of the business trends and changes which may hinder their business performance. He emphasized on making plans keeping in mind the threat posed by the competitors so that they can deal with the situation effectively. This alignment of business operations with the business environment will result in better performance. Now, state any two features of business environment as discussed by Professor Mehta with Naman and Govind, and also state any two importance of business environment referred in the above paragraph. Second question is, with the introduction of mineral water bottle in India, Bisleri was the first to capture the big market share in India. Which importance of business environment is highlighted here? First, helps in policy making. Second, identifying threat and getting warning signals. Third, helps in tapping resources. And fourth, helps to identify opportunities and getting first mover advantage. So we have discussed the topic business environment along with its importance and features. In the next session, we'll continue with some other topic. That's all for today. Thank you.